Lost a Snapchat chat and think it's hidden forever? Stay on this screen. Here's how to find it in under a minute. First, open Snapchat and go straight to the chat screen. That's the speech bubble icon at the bottom. If a chat disappeared, it might just be cleared from the list. In Chats, pull down to refresh and look for their name reappearing. Next, use Search. Tap the search bar at the top of the chat screen and type their username or display name. Even if the thread looks empty, tap their name. Often the conversation reopens, and new messages will stack on top again. Remember, snaps set to delete after viewing or delete after 24 hours may still auto-delete, so you might only see recent history. Still not finding it? Let's check your chat settings for that friend. In the chat with them, tap their profile icon at the top, then tap the three dots or options button to open chat settings. Here, look for options like delete chats. Choose after 24 hours of viewing if you want more time before messages disappear. For older data, you can also request your Snapchat data from settings on the profile screen, then look for chat history files. Just remember, once chats are truly deleted by Snapchat's rules, you can't fully restore them, so adjust your settings now. That's it. You now know where hidden chats go, how to change delete settings, and what's gone for good. Follow for more quick Snapchat tips.